Patseq data. Welcome to The Lens, a global web facility serving more than 80 million patent documents from 100 jurisdictions as open digital public goods, integrated with academic and technical literature. In The Lens, we offer tools to render knowledge from biological innovations transparent, meaningful, and useful. In this video, we will introduce you to Patseq data, a new platform within the Patent Sequence Facility of The Lens, a facility created to enable transparency and access to genetic sequences found in patents. Patseq data allows you to download and analyze all available patent sequences within your own workspace without a license or a fee. It shows you the degree to which national and regional jurisdictions meet the public disclosure standard in biological patents. And Patseq data provides a venue for patent offices around the world to share their biological patent holdings. In the summary view, you can now explore the contents of our master database, the Patseq database. You can view our collection of patent documents, applications or grants, or sequences as a whole, or in any given publication year. You can download total sequence disclosures based on document type, sequence types, nucleotide or peptide, and whether the sequence is referenced in the claims. By using the globe, map, or table view, you can examine a jurisdiction in detail. The intensity of the color correlates with the level of available data. By hovering over any of the 70 covered jurisdictions, you can also explore, using a floating tooltip, the type of legal and administrative information currently available from each jurisdiction. The tooltip highlights the extent of Patseq data holdings, patentability requirements based on Cambia and WIPO surveys, data declared by national or regional patent officers with contact details of the responsible party, and a description and a timeline of relevant legal changes in some jurisdictions. Using Canada as an example, you may choose to link to the whole collection of biological patents available from Canada in The Lens. Examine how the Patent Office makes the sequence listings publicly available and in what format and coverage. Here, you can compare these holdings with those we currently serve and see the discrepancy. Considering the few documents or sequences we have from Canada, we were able to communicate such finding to the Canadian Intellectual Property Office, and they kindly offered us the missing information, which we will be incorporating soon. In this tool, you can easily link to any available patent document in The Lens and download the disclosed sequence. Using another example, the USA. Considering the rich information found in the Patseq database from this jurisdiction, you can view more easily the interactive and dynamic nature of this tool. Examine the changes in disclosed sequence types and their distribution in patent documents, in claims, summary, drawings, example, and specification. For example, in 2013, we had 6,790 granted patents with 1.4% of their sequence disclosures referenced in claims, whereas in 2014, we have 638 patents with almost 5.8% of the sequences referenced in claims. Disclosed sequences in patent claims are important since they may support or be part of or constitute the invention. Also, when brushing over patent or sequence holdings, you can view the level of overlap among the data sources we used to access raw sequence listings. Looking at the sources of US granted patents and their corresponding sequence disclosures from 1993 to 2003. In 1993, each data source had a distinct biological patent collection and there was no overlap, whereas in 2003, the data was highly overlapped. So, if you are after complete records in a particular year, this information may be very useful. Our data statistics will update automatically with regular data feed updates, or as we incorporate more sequence listing data sources in the master database. In this dossier view, the legal and administrative information includes patentability requirements based on Cambia 2011 and WIPO 2001 surveys, In the USA, where these requirements were first created and implemented, we provide a description and a timeline of their evolution since October 1st, 1990. In another timeline, we show the legislative, administrative changes, as well as some court decisions that are relevant. By clicking on the event, you can view a summary description of that event and link to the source of the data for more details. Contact details of the responsible party who provided the information are also listed, with a link to the actual Patent Office website for more details. We hope you find Patseq data useful. It is part of our vision for a global repository that enables the open sharing of patent sequence data and facilitates more informed and evidence-based decisions on genetic inventions. Please send any feedback to support@Cambia.org.